Welcome to our channel Classfly Community. So today we will be dealing with the topic AC through inductor. We have already done in the resistance or the resistor. So in the resistor we got a phasor diagram which says that there will be no angle between the current as well as the voltage. Let's see what happens with the inductor case. So here let us consider a inductor with inductance L. That means this is a inductor whose inductance is L. Be connected to an AC source with EMF having instantaneous value. EMF means your voltage. Sometimes it is also written as E is equal to E naught sine omega t. E naught and Vm is your maximum voltage. Whereas this AC supply is represented as V. So as it is series, we know that the current flows and current is same for all the components. So according to Lenz's law, we know that the inductance relationship with the voltage is that V is equal to L di by dt, where E or V is the induced EMF and di by dt is the rate of change of current. So now we know that V is equal to Vm sin omega t, which is an instantaneous value. So we will put the value here and we will bring the L down and we will take the dt to this side. So remove this dt and di, we need to integrate. When we integrate, Vm by L remains the same, and we know that sin omega t in integration is minus cos omega t by omega, right? And dt will remove as we are doing integration, and integration of di will be I. So we can see I equal to minus Vm omega L cos omega t we got. But as our equation 1 is in the form of the sine, we need to convert this into sine. So when we convert this cos omega t into sine, it is pi by 2 minus cos omega t. So when we bring this sine inside, this minus sign inside, we get Im sine omega t minus pi by 2. That means Im denote as Vm by omega L. So from the first equation and the second equation, we can clearly see that the I, that is a current, will lag by 90 degree from the voltage, because still here it is same, that is Vm sin omega t and Im sin omega t is same, but it is saying that it is minus pi by 2. That means our current will start lagging by 90 degree from the voltage. So we can say in simple language that from equation 1 and equation 2 we observe that current lags by 90 degree, or you can say the voltage, or you can say that the voltage lead by 90 degree. So your waveform will be, this is our sinusoidal wave for the voltage. So as it will lag by 90 degree, it will start from below. So this is our current, which shows that when it is 0, it is at pi by 2. So this sinusoidal wave with the black color is your Vm sin omega t or your voltage waveform, and this red one is your current waveform. So when you want to see the phasor diagram, it is that your voltage will be in the line, but as I told that the current will be lagging by 90 degree. So it is lagging by 90 degree. But for instantaneous time, this is your V. So you will just tilt it by a angle, and this angle will be your omega t. So this is your phasor diagram for the instantaneous time. So always remember that the current will lag by 90 degree. Now we will need to know the inductive reactance. Inductive reactance is denoted as XL. Inductive reactance is the opposing nature of the inductor to the flow of the alternating current. That means the current which is being provided to the supply, this will be the opposing nature. That means in the equation we got I equal to Vm by omega L, and this omega L is the opposing nature of the inductor, and Vm by omega L is denoted as the maximum current. So it is denoted as I naught equal to Vm by omega L, or it can be Im equal to Vm by omega L. So our omega L is our opposing nature of the inductor, which is represented at XL. And we know that omega is equal to 2 pi by t, and we know that 1 by t is our frequency. So it can also be written as 2 pi v. So when we put this value in this one, we get 2 pi VL. So today's lecture ends here. So in brief, I would say that a current will lag by 90 degree in the inductance case. Till then, be happy and have a great day.
Now is the quote time. Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. I hope all of you understood the lecture of today, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live Magus videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.